Hey, Claude Code just keeps evolving. Anthropic recently rolled out some major updates, so let's dive in. Some of them are great, but not everything is perfect. Let's start. First, the native VS Code extension. It's kinda funny when you think about it. Claude Code started as CLI only, while Cursor went straight to VS Code. Now both are completing the circle and offering the full range of tools. Installing it is simple. Just search for the official Anthropic extension in the marketplace and download it. The setup is pretty intuitive. To switch modes, you just click here and you'll see 3 options. Ask before edits, edit automatically, and my personal favorite, plan mode. When working on complex features, I always start planning the feature with the LLM with this mode. When doing that, you catch major bugs or misunderstanding before any code modification. On the right side, you'll notice the slash menu that shows some of the commands, like starting a new conversation, resuming one, picking models, adding MCP, and a few more features you might already know from the CLI. And at the very top there's a handy button that lets you jump back into other conversations. But the real excitement comes from the new Claude Code commands. Rewind lets you roll back the conversation to a previous point, which is a lifesaver when you find yourself stuck in a loop with the LLM. For example, I can see my previous points in the chat, I can see when it was executed, how many messages it contained. The next command is the usage command, shows you your plan's usage limits, something developers have been asking for forever. It's important to know that beyond the plan limit, there's a limit for 5-hour window. I created a dedicated video about how I avoid Claude Code limits, so I hope it will be useful. Not everything is perfect though. The new prompt history search is a cool idea, but when I tried it, it froze up and stopped responding. Hopefully, that'll get patched soon. Overall, these updates make Claude Code even more powerful, but if you want to really master it, you must watch this video. See you next time.